Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Hotspot grayed out on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, you need to ensure cellular data is turned on. If cellular data is off, Hotspot will be grayed out. So go to Settings. Next, open Mobile Service. Here you have mobile data. Make sure to toggle it on. When you go back, you will notice that Hotspot is no longer grayed out. If the issue is still persisting, then you need to turn airplane mode on and off briefly. This can sometimes refresh your network connection. So open your control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Here tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then tap it again to disable it. If the issue is still there, then you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Follow the standard restart procedure for your iPhone model. Another solution is to check for iOS update. Sometimes there might be an update that fixes this issue. So open your Settings app. Here go to General. Under General, open Software Update. Your phone will check any software update. If there is an update available, then tap Update Now. That is how to fix Hotspot grayed out on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.